So is there anything from last week that you'd like to go through before we start on simplifying fractions? Including fractions? When you have a missing number? Okay. So, what Mike is talking about is you have problems like this. Mike is talking about this problem that y'all have with this. What's the first thing you ask yourself when you see this kind of problem? You have an equivalent fraction. Because equivalent means what? Or equal means what? The what? The same. So what you're trying to really say is that this fraction is going to be the same as this one. So the first thing you ask yourself is, what multiplied times 3 will give me 6? 2. That's 2. One of the main things y'all were messing up on was after you get 2, you just put 2 up here. And that's definitely not right. It's like 2 times 2 is 4. So that's your final answer right there. Now, if you have a bigger number on the left-hand side, which is you have, like this one. When the bigger number is on the left-hand side, what do you ask yourself? What divided by 30 will give me 5? 6. 36 divided by 6 is? 12. 36 divided by 6? Oh, 6. You understand it? Do this one. 3 over 24 equal to over 8. What's the first question you ask yourself, Micah? Talk loud, talk loud. Talk loud. I know you talk way louder than that. What divided by 24 will give me 8? What do you say? What divided by 8 will give me 24? If I was divided by 24, give me 8. Three. You sing it loud, talk loud. So 3 divided by 3 is, talk loud. 1. You know, you get that? But you don't have to say you do. You know you got it? Sure? No. First question you ask yourself. It is. Hey, so then what do you ask yourself? Can't hear you, Micah. Is I can't hear you. 40. I can't hear you. 40. Thank you, Jessica. 40. How is it? 3. Can I call? One of them? Yeah, I know it, right?
I know, but it's
Who don't know it?
It's so what is it just
Who
why?
say don't know it?
I said I do.
You do know it?
Is it boring to just watch other people? We watching. Yeah, I want to do one.
Early don't Pretty good. Is there anything else from the test that you need to know?
No,
I mean, y'all can answer questions, because y'all like nobody in here have an A on the test, so.
I got a composite.
So what now? Prime and composite. So what's a prime number? What's the definition of a prime number?
The prime number that goes into itself for
A
one.
prime number has exactly two factors, itself and one. It has no other factors but itself and one.
Nothing.
So you have 2, 12, 3,
6. Never mind.
11.
Child said never mind.
That's why y'all ain't getting into y'all always talking back and forth with each other.
13.
13, 7. So you can't see what that means, what that is. Only it has no other factors. So what's a stop? What's a composite number?
6,
14,
10,
10,
4,
4.
8.
So prime is composite is the 8. Composite is the exact opposite of prime. So prime is only one in itself. You have another multiple or no other factor that can go with it and give me that same number. It has no other factor. Pretty good?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
What's the difference in the GCL and the LCM or the LCD? What's the difference?
Factor.
And what's a factor?
A factor is what some of the numbers that go into the like 1 and 5. The numbers that go into I do a factor tree. No. Oh, I know what it is. It's the factors like 1 times 5. 2 times 5. Like.
Okay, what's the factors? What's the factors of 4?
1 times 4.
1 times 4.
2 times 2.
2 times 2.
That's it.
Those are factors. Now, what is the multiples of 4?
4, 8, 12, 15, 18. He said 18. 20, 24, 28.
Okay, what are the factors of 20?
24, 22.
Start again.
20.
No. What are the factors of
1 times 20.
Okay.
2 times 10.
Good.
Yeah. 3. No, that's it. Oh, 4 times 5.
4 times 5. Is that it?
Yeah.
Now, what are the multiples of 20?
20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
You go on.
140.
What are the what's the factors of 15?
15.
What are the stop right there. Stop right there. Children, students, young people, you're going to have to read and listen. If I say factors, I mean factors. If I say multiples, I mean multiples.
Is that how we got it wrong?
That's how you get it wrong. Exactly. You're right. What are the factors of 15?
1 times 5. 3 times 5.
Stop.
You said 5. He said 5.
What are the factors of 15?
1 times 15, 3 times 5, and that's it.
What are the multiples of 15?
15, 30.
It goes on and on. That's so what you need to really remember to do is to factor are numbers that's multiplied to get that number, and multiples are that number multiplied by other numbers. So when you look at it as an individual numbers, you can get it better. Common factors will have to be 2 numbers compared. Common multiples or denominators are 2 numbers compared. You can only have common if you have two numbers you're comparing, two or more numbers you're comparing.
Can I go get my, I was gonna ask, can I get my glasses? In the possible. I do a fast history. Wait.
Y'all gotta look at the tree again.
Wait, these gonna get my glasses?
Yeah, put her on. Why do you always do that?
This is, no, it's on stand. And it's 96.
Alright, let's go to page 192.
No,
Hold up your head.
Can I? Wait, if somebody doesn't get my glasses, can I see it? You want to go? Pick up the glasses. 3, 2, 1. Open the door.
Alright. Are you ready?
For what?
We're going to show you how to write fractions.
I cover my
Wait. I'm going to show you. Wait a minute. What? Sit down.
Sit down, dramatic.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Okay. Can I get my phone?
Where's your vote? Fractions in simple terms. You're going to have to really know how to do this a lot when you're doing tests. Simply because a lot of times they'll ask you, sometimes you will have a number and they'll say write in simple form. You will have multiple choice. And they'll have two choices. And one of the choices will be the exact right answer, but it's a simplest term. They got to know how to write the fraction all the way down to where you can divide it by anything else but one. Go ahead and go into this. How do you write a fraction simple? How do you get it to simple terms? Well, first of all, you say, well, what number can I divide 6 and 8 by together? I'm not gonna divide 6 by 3. But can I divide 8 by 3? No. So I can't use that 3, right? What number can I multiply both on first? What number can I divide both 6 and 8 by? 2. 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. This will be my simplest term. So get this. You may have a problem and if you're adding fractions together, or you're subtracting fractions, or you're multiplying fractions, or dividing fractions. You may come up with this answer. But the question may be, or the problem may say, write the answer in the most simple form, or the simplest form. If you write this, I'm going to count that wrong. Because that's the simplest form.
Wait,
if you write this, you write 6 over 8. This is the most simplest form of 6 over 8, which is 3 over 4. Why is it the most simplest form?
Because nothing else. It can't go into 3.
We all know 2 go into 4, right? Yeah. But does 2 go into 3? No.
3 goes into
so the only thing I divide 3/4 by is what? 1. That's when you use the simplest form. You can't divide it by anything else but 1. Let's do a large one.
So you can't divide by 1 and that can be your simple?
So, no, I mean, it's the same thing. Anything you divide by 1 can be the same thing.
That's what you're going to do.
Say one more time. I said no. 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 Yes, no. Cool? We cool? Yeah, we are cool. No. You ain't getting your jacket. Alright. The simplest form, we're going to go to 16 over 24. What kind of by 16 and 24 by? 8. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3. And by 2 and 3
by 4 too.
We'll do it in just a second. We will. Can I divide 2 and 3 by anything?
No.
But 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You said 4. You can't do it by 4. Watch this. You can. Now we'll do it in just a second also. 16 divided by 4 is?
4 and 4.
24 divided by 4 is?
6.
Is that number 4?
No, 2.
Huh? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Same thing. Who said something else? 2? You said 2? Sixteen divided by 2 is?
16 divided by 2 is 8.
24 divided by 2 is?
12.
Is that something form? No. 2. Want to do by 2 again? 8 divided by 2 is? 4. 12 divided by 2 is? 6. 2. 2 again. 4 divided by 2 is? 2. 6 divided by 2 is? 3. Same thing for all of them.
But that one just short away.
Just short away. What's 8 from 16 and 24? The most what? Is what? What's 8 from 16 and 24? What is that? What do they have in common? What is that? What's the word called? Mixed numbers. Bird's coming back then.
Oh, great. Come back.
8. It's bird's coming back up 16 and 24.
Oh,
Oh, Michael. What we're doing? You understand? What part don't you understand? Name what part though. Like name where you get something.
you talking about the whole thing from the beginning.
So what about don't you understand? Oh, okay. Okay, Micah, so this is the thing. All you have to ask, it's not hard. Okay, let me just tell it that for you. It's not hard. Let me just say algebra, free algebra may start getting kind of challenging, but it's not hard. It's extreme. I want you to think of it as, you don't remember it. Are you listening? What can I divide both 4 and 32 by what number? Let her answer this. What number can I divide both 4 and 32 by? Okay. 4 divided by 2 is? 4 divided by 2? No, 4 divided by 2? $32 divided by 2? You see your paper? Okay. What can I divide 2 and 16 by? Is that in simplest form? Good. What can I divide 2 and 16 by? What's 2 divided by 2? What's 2? Please, make sure you look at this line. $16 divided by 2 is? Is that simplest form? Okay, right,
I told you you couldn't do it in 4. She said you couldn't do it in 4 plus 3. Oh, she said 3. No, I said 4.
How is that? You say you got a number. If a number, if I pick a number and both of them don't go into both numbers, then I can't use that number. I got to pick a number that both of them can be divided by evenly, not leaving a remainder. It's just evenly divided number.
Yes, ma'am, but when it's test time, then we're going to have, we're going to do some hard questions.
Alright, let's do this one in simplest form. What can I divide both 18 and 60 by evenly? 2. We'll start with 2.
Wait.
You start with 2. You can start with 2. Sometimes it's better to start with the lower numbers because you can maybe divide it easier. So it's okay to start with a low number like 2 or 3. Of course, we can't do 3. This is why. Why can't we do 3 with this? Yeah, good.
It does. 3 times 6.
Well, you got me up here to tell the story. That's the green jeans, right? It's not 3 and then what if you have 3 over 15? So you can do 3 for that, but you can't use 3 all the time. So if I have 2 over 12, it all depends on what fraction you have that reduce. Again.
9.
You can't do 3. You can't. Let's use 18 and make 3. Okay. 18 divided by 2 is
9.
6 divided by 2 is
I got 30. I'm doing it.
30. Good. Is that simple form?
No.
What am I trying to divide both 9 and 30 by?
3.
Good. Y'all put it together.
3. 3 divided by 9 is 3. 3 gonna be 3. What?
Why are you multiplying?
Oh, 3. 3.
No, I hear y'all. I know that's right. I'm trying to watch you multiply.
I don't know what's more.
9.
9 going to 3 times.
Divided by. What?
3.
Are you divided by 3?
10.
Can I read this again?
Yes.
I
Oh,
can't.
no. I'm thinking of 1.
That's it, right?
I was looking at 10.
No, I'm arguing.
Yay.
That's why you really didn't go. Oh, y'all let go?
Yeah. I don't have a sweater on.
Go get your coat.
I have a sweater on. I'm still cold. I got sweater on. So I'm going. Let's do 180 over 2. No, his jacket, this right here. He had to get this over by his person.
Oh, for real? Let's do another one, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's do 160 and 180.
Let's do 10 over 16.
10 over 16. 2. Yeah, 2.
2? That's what we're going to start with.
5.
10 divided by 2 is? 16 divided by 2 is? Can I reduce that anymore?
No.
I cannot. So my most simple fraction is what?
5 over 8.
5 over 8.
5 over 8. That's how she calls that, right? Oh, this is now. That's good. This is cold.
Alright, let's do another one. What can I divide both 9 and 54 by?
3.
3? Huh? You can divide 54 by 3?
No.
6?
6?
I can divide
9.
9 divided by 9 is?
1.
54 divided by 9 is?
6.
Is this my most simple form?
Yes.
Okay. 2.
No. 3. 4. Oh, 9. Yes.
compare these, okay? I'm going to give you this one instead.
Can we come up to the board in a minute? Can we do so? No.
Huh?
You know, why is everything boring? Stop making me glad. It's the same time.
Stop. Stop it and all that kind of stuff. It's getting ridiculous. Which one of these fractions are written in the simplest form?
2 over 3.
Not 12 over 18?
6 over 9. No.
Not 12 over 18? Not 18 over 27?
Wait, 2 over 3.
Not 6 over 9?
No.
2 over 3. Why? What did you buy both 6 and 9 by?
3.
Mm-hmm. What kind of Bible? 18 and 27 by?
3. 3. 3 times 6 is 18.
I can't. I'll put a 9, but yeah. What kind of by both 12 and 18 by?
2.
3. 3, 6.
3, 6, 9.
9 words for it. Easily. What kind of by both 2 and 3 by?
1.
So that's right. Now, when you ever, that's all you divide by, that's it. It's the most simplest form. And it can be this right here, this kind of fraction right here. It could be that.
Simple form.
That could be simple form. Wow.
So nothing goes. 1 goes in those 1,500 seconds.
And I can't divide one by anything else. As long as the size of the number keeps you, it may be a large number, it may not be able to be divided by anything else. Alrighty, turn to page 194. Alright, we get into the fun stuff.
This people look good.
Mixed numbers and fractions. We talk about mixed numbers and improper fractions.
Yeah, can we make a pencil? That people are good. You gonna have some jalapenos on it?
We have a throw in there.
Oh, we can come to my house.
Alright. A mixed number. Look at page 194. I'll just mix them first. A mixed number is any number that has both a fraction and a whole number. So if you always hear about mixed numbers, you always think the word mixed number. It's a whole number and a fraction. Again, a whole number and a fraction. It's mixed. It's mixed. I'd like to make sure you have it. A mixed number is a
Whole number.
And a
Fraction.
A
Whole number.
and a
Fraction.
A
Whole number.
I hear y'all. I don't get my else.
Whole number. Fraction.
A whole number and a fraction.
What is that?
I love the boys, but when you point out the boys are falling off this someplace.
You multiply 4 and 7
Mhm.
plus 3.
I mean, it is for you, but you'd be surprised like how many people it's not easy for.
I know, I meant for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But we'll make sure they get it. I'm glad that you understand. We'll make sure that everybody
I
gets it.
understand that.
Alright, so what you're going to do is when you have a number like this, are you listening to me? Your top number is going to always be when you turn a mixed number into a fraction, your mixed number is going to become a what kind of fraction?
Improper.
Improper fraction. What's the improper fraction?
Fractions where bigger numbers on the top.
So your numerator is larger than your denominator. That's what an improper fraction is. It's improper because it should be a smaller number than the smaller number should be heavier than the bottom number. Should be. should be. And I kind of think of it in terms of a person. A person is built like this. The head is on top, and the body is on the bottom. That's how a proper person is built. If somebody built like this, a head this big, the body is small, something's gonna be wrong, am I right? That's improper. So I think of it in terms of a body. If the larger number is on top, then it's improper. Or the larger number is the numerator, then it's improper. So, how would I change this into a mixed number? And sometimes you'll come across a problem that says, change such and such into a improper fraction and then divide, or then multiply, or then subtract, or add. This is how you can change a mixed number into an improper fraction. You have your whole number, you have your denominator. Okay? Now I'm going to write this down too. So to change a mixed number to a fraction, you must multiply, multiply whole number times denominator. I was on my whole number by my denominator. Then add your product. Add your product to, now you got this? I need you right there. Okay. Then add your product to your numerator. So, you multiply your whole number by your denominator, and then you add your product that you get to your numerator. From there, you write your sum over the original denominator. So, all right. If I were to change a mixed number to a fraction, I'm going to multiply my whole number by my denominator. Then I take the product that I find from that, add it to my numerator, take the whole sum that I get for that, and write it over the original denominator, which is your original denominator that you have right here, which is 4. You say that again? If you want to turn a mixed number into a fraction, you multiply your whole number by your denominator. The product that you get with that, you take that product, add it to your numerator. Take the whole sum of what you just added, take the answer from that, and put it over your original denominator.
So you do like 7 times 4, and then with your answer, then you add it times 3.
No, yes, not times 3, add it plus 3. I know you mean though, yeah.
So you put 3 on the side, add to 3, what?
Then you take that answer that you give you add, take that answer, and put it over your original denominator, which is 4. And that's your fraction.
So it's going to change the numerator?
It changes your numerator. Your denominator stays the same when you write the answer. So it's 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So my answer will be what?
31 over 4.
31 over 4.
Wait, yeah. And then you would have to divide it. Or divide it by 30.
How do I do it?
Easy.
How you doing, Mike? Okay. Tom? You doing bad?
Yeah. Bye.
I'm put it on her. Alright? Let's do the practice problems.
Can we come up to the board then?
In a little bit, we will come to the board, so we get everything together. That's because it takes a little bit longer when we bring it to the board in between. Let's get everything down and then we'll bring it to the board. Do the class work together. Yeah, we did a whole work together. Alright, so improper fraction. Improper fraction.
Are you on the same page?
To mixed numbers. So you just converted a mixed number to improper fraction, but now you gotta know how to convert a improper fraction to a mixed number. Yes, ma'am. Indeed. So you never know when you're gonna be quizzed on just writing the rules out. So I hope you know how to write the rules out, not just do it. I want you to know how to write it out. Good, I hope you do. You need to do the problem, you gotta actually know the word, how to write it out. Like, change it in proper fraction. First off, I use it breathing everywhere I go.
You got a jacket.
That's what I'm saying, nothing.
This thing is nothing.
That's what I'm thinking of this right here.
This is
This
dress is awesome. I didn't check up there though. I only went to. It's cold outside. They need to help.
No, you don't. Girl.
Yes, they do.
Alright, let's look at page 194, where it says 15 over 4.
What?
Page 194?
No, 194.
This is the way I learned how to do improper fractions. What I do is like,
I'm 1504. Oh, never mind.
what I usually do, I always look at this line as like saying divided by. So whenever I need to turn a mixed or improper fraction into a mixed number, I look at this line right here and write this down also. Write this down. So write 1504. Write 1504. 1504. Draw a little arrow here, and then we're ready to put divided by. Which is the same as writing this right here. But you didn't write it down.
Good.
Same thing. Or now you got it, you're right. That's right. So when I say improper fraction, I just see division. I see 15 divided by 4, or written like this, 15 divided by 4, or written like this. Which you really want to write like this. Why? This is the way you're going to work it out. Good. Let's do 4 divided by 15. Let's do 4 divided by 15.
Okay. Oh, okay. 30.
Minus 12, not yet, remainder
3.
3. So this is how I write this, okay? Your remainder, as I said right here, your quotient. You already know that when your answer for division is what? Quotient. Your quotient is going to be the whole number. Let me try to write this right. Y'all work it out? If I did you put this on your paper? You get this on your paper,
What?
This. Get this on your paper, Simon?
No.
Yes, you get this on your paper?
3, 12. I do 3. 3. I worked it out.
All right, now what you do this. Circle this number.
And circle the remainder?
Not yet. Circle this number right now. Got it? Arrow, and you can write become whole number.
Are you saying all day Friday? Yes, it's a party. Is it really? So I'll just September 1st. Virgo. Oh man, that's not what's going on. Next week is October. Next week is October. When do we get our book on?
That was every 9 weeks, right?
It's really
Oh, really good.
and I can't wait till probably in December. Oh, I can't wait till October because we're gonna get a break. And we get my PR.
All right, so this number becomes your whole number. Now put a square around this right here. This number becomes your numerator.
Cover. You darn. No, it's not. It is. Can I get a cover?
Got it written down? Get it written down? Put a triangle around this number. I'm already not putting a triangle right now, so leave it separate. Now, nothing is significant about the shape. Just going to separate. Get the triangle?
Yeah. Wait, on what?
Over the 4. Yeah. Around the 4. This number becomes the denominator, or bottom number. Becomes denominator or bottom number. So, for a mixed number, I have to have a whole number, right? A whole number and a fraction. So my whole number is where?
We need to do that. It's the denominator. No, it's the okay. 3 is the numerator. Yeah. 3 is the whole.
Where's my whole number? 3 and
3 is the numerator. And 4 is the denominator.
So I have my mixed number from this right here. I got this mixed number right here.
Look,
See that?
Yeah.
I was going to say you didn't. My God, Lord.
Don't just look at me because it's cold and I asked you to bring some blankets. It's cold in here. It's freezing.
Now, I want to take this number now and turn it into an improper fraction. How would I do that?
Okay. So you multiply 4 and 3.
And then?
Plus 3. 12. And 12 plus 3. 15 over 4.
Over what?
4.
You see how we did that? We went from one to the other. You see that?
She was
You go right. Because I had faith that you would see that. You'll see you.
It's cold in here. Oh, this. That's what I'm doing today.
What?
I'm scared I'm going to kick that. But I'm cooking dinner today.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, no. I'm here for everything.
All right, let's do this. 10. I want to change this into a fraction.
Okay. So
Let's do this. I know we're going to start getting loud. So let's go from Simon to Kennedy to Micah to Disney.
Can I go back?
To Michael to Disney. Let's go, Simon.
Oh, so you will do.
Why do y'all get here? And if I'm on the computer doing some work, y'all just loud as all get out. And then when I ask you a question, 5 times 10. Why can't be serious, Simon?
5 times 10.
And what do I do with that?
Then you will do.
What's 5 times 10?
50.
Oh,
Then you add 4. That's 54. Then it will be 54 over 5. Ah.
You're good.
What do you do? 50 and then add 50 to 4?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
You have your notes there to refer back to. Math doesn't change. Math doesn't have no opinion. It doesn't change. It's going to be the same.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be the same.
It ain't going to be the same in that book, is it?
Kimber, you next. I need to turn this into a fraction. Help me out.
9. 9 times 30. Okay.
Let her do it.
27. 27.8. 27 is the denominator.
You just did that. What happened to 28? What happened to 28?
What's 28? What the?
9 not 3, 27. 27 plus 1 is what?
Oh, yeah, I made a mistake.
Yeah.
28.
Y'all can't do none of these tests. Y'all cannot do none of these tests. And that's actually the main cause of you making the low scores. It's just like this. Oh, no, we don't look at this. You have to like literally sit there and say, what is this? You cannot just throw it up there and then it's going to be right. Take your time and do the work. I knew what she meant when she was saying that, but I knew that she wasn't listening to what I said. Because if she had put 27 over 3, on the test, what's going to happen?
Wrong.
It's going to be wrong.
Well, you know what I'm trying to say?
I did, but I wanted you to make sure you saw what you was missing, because it was going to be wrong with this. That's why Devin missed some things. He's good at math. However, he likes to get on math and just brush through it. And he ain't putting wrong stuff down there, because he's not looking at what he needs to be putting down there. So what's my answer?
28.
Over what? 28 over? 3. Micah. I need a fraction. Make some fraction for me.
Can I answer since you answered mine? So I can do her same what she did?
Keep on. I can't hear you, Micah.
6
Talk aloud.
times 6 is 36 plus 5 is 1.
Yeah. Good. Desmond?
We're going to go back over it again. It's going to solve the problem again. 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 8 is 62 over 9.
Simon. And you can use your paper. I don't want you to be doing head work. Use your paper to write it down. Like your problem, you can use your paper to write it down.
You're older, you can't sit over and have paper in your hand trying to figure it out.
Am older?
I am older.
So it's coming time. Right, I need to work it out. Simon, I need a mixed number. Turn this into a mixed number for me.
Okay. So.
Don't just give me the answer. I'm still going to work it out.
Okay.
After you can work it out on your paper and then tell me how to work it out. But I want you to give me the answer.
Okay, you divide 9 31.
Okay, so how do I write it out for me? What am I going to do?
9.
What?
9 on that side, and 31 in there. And 9 goes from 31 3 times. 9 times 3 is 27. You got the bottom, 3 becomes 2.
Okay.
And then 1 from this. And then 11 minus 7 is 4.
7 minus 11.
Major 4.
What comes my whole number?
Okay. So 3 is the whole number. 4 is the numerator.
Good.
And 9 is the number.
Very good. Kennedy. I need a mixed number. And y'all can go ahead and start working your problems out now too. So Kenny has number 16. Micah has number 17, and Jim has 19. So you can be working that out now. What's your nose? No, she's good.
So if you don't have a razor, you just up. Got it.
You know what to do?
Okay. Divide 6 into 69.
Like this?
Yes. 6 into 59 is 9. 54. 5. Minus 5.
Okay.
9 is your whole number. 5 is your numerator.
Yes, ma'am.
And 6 is your denominator.
Very good. Kennedy, girl, you worked that out. Micah. It's a big number. Like this? I'm trying to get that one. Like this?
You got a long 7. 5. You really keeping that smile on your face.
I'm happy. Come on, girl. Look at your nose. No, look at your nose. Look at your nose.
Get a smile off your face now. What if you don't have one?
Shoot, that's awesome.
The numerator is 7.
Very good. Good. I
said she did that for you.
mean, she didn't get the same answer, so she good. Desmond, you say you got some problems going over here, huh? Let's see what you got going over here. What's your number? 18? 18 or 18?
That was easy. How do I do it? I don't know.
Okay. I'm ready.
7 goes. 8 times. What's done? You're supposed to always have a remainder. If you don't have a remainder, it's wrong. 7 times 8 is 56.
So what do you think you hear?
No. And a here. No. What?
Just 8. Oh, just 8. No, just 8. The whole number.
And 8 times 7 is 56 over.
Oh, let's see. Look at look at page 198. I think this kind of help y'all too. A little bit. option was really our quiet word.
Are we going up to board now? No.
Are you ready?
We're going up to board.
Page 198. Look at number 1. It says the smallest number that is a multiple of 2 or more whole numbers is the...
Second. I don't know what you mean. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
The smallest number that is the multiple. Least common multiple.
I just found out what we want.
A factor is the exact opposite of multiple.
Wait, what? A whole number.
A number that has only 2 factors, itself and 1, is a blank number.
Itself and 1.
A number that has prime number, good. A whole number that has more than 2 factors is a blank number.
Yeah. No.
Composite.
Oh, what?